Back to my channel Admirable Nandini Art and Craft. So today I am back with more new video. So today I am back with more such interesting video for you all guys. So today in my new video I'm gonna show you how to make easy DIY pen or pencil decor for the decoration. You can just use it in your school purpose as it is the school ideas craft. And so let's get start with the procedure. And see, I have prepared this decoration of the pen, and I'm gonna show you the process how to do it. And here I'm gonna write something for you like this. See, and if you want the process of this notebook, so I will share the link in the description box as I have made a video related to this before. So let's get start with the procedure without any delay. So for making this you are required here with one blue color paper of any size, and just fold it into half and just I'm gonna draw here a tail of a fish or mermaid, and now just cut it. Now I have cutted these two tails. Now take here some sketch pens or color pens and just do the outlining of this according to the shade like this, and just highlight the outer part. Just you do all. See, I have done the shading on both of the tails. Now just take here some pink color sketch pen and draw just some pattern inside the tail like this. Similarly I am doing on the other one again like this. Now just using yellow I am giving it a bit of shade to it, as yellow is light in shade, so I am just darkening the inside part. So just you do on this also. Now take here a glitter pen and just make some patterns again on the outside. And this if you want the link of these pens also I will just paste in the description box, but I have bought these pens from my local store only. So now let's move to the second step. Now take here any old sketch pen or pen or pencil, whatever you have. Now just take here two strips of blue and pink, and just using Fevicol just make a long strip together like this and let it dry for some time. Now from the back of the pen or sketch pen just stick this double-sided tape on the top and just remove its layer and just stick this strip starting from the top and just roll it together and just cover the whole pen like this. Now see, I have covered the whole pen, and now just secure again using double-sided tape. like this. Now take here Fevicol and just add Fevicol on the tail, on its back. And now just stick it in, just stick the pen in the center. Now add glue to the another one, like this. And again you stick it to the, flap it over it. Adhere it properly. Now let it dry for some times. And just make patterns using color pens as I have made in this one. Anything you wish to make, as I am making here some dots. Just you follow the process. And finally I have made the dots on the pen. And now just take here some stones or stickers or crystals and using Fevicol I am just sticking this stone in the center of the pen. Like this. Now let it dry for some times. So see how beautiful it is looking, and the way you reuse your pen. And now I'm gonna show you how it is looking while writing. So I hope you all guys like my video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and must try this cute recycled pens at your home and use and gift it to your someone, to your friends or relatives. So thank you. Till then, bye bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.